Hi, we are back again. Welcome with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper, May the 2nd. This one is from Saturday, 2020. Yeah, this is a Two Stars Sudoku, so we will continue with this one. So let's get started with this one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. What are the missing numbers here? The 1 is missing. The 4 is missing. And the 7 is missing, and the 6. 7 and the 6. I think I cannot solve this. No. Need to wait. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see in this box we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. One box left in this column for the 8. Yes, alright. Then let me think. A 3 in this row, a 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only box left for the 3 should be this one. Yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. They are 9, so no 9 in that box. One box left for this column for the 9 should be this one. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Ooh. Well. 8, 1. Can we continue with? No, I cannot continue with this column. 7, 7. 5. How about? Yes, I see a pair. Look in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of them, of the 5 numbers, are the 4 and the 5. I see here the 4 and the 5, so the 4 and the 5 cannot be in these two boxes. I see here the 4 and the 5. The 4 and the 5 cannot be in that box, so the 4 and the 5 should be here or there. The 4 and the 5. But I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. Now we have 3 missing numbers. And those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 7. 1, 2, and the 7. I see here 1 and the 2. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 7. Here we have the 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about this big square? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 7, 2. Yes, in these 3 missing numbers, in this column with 3 missing numbers, the numbers are 1, 3 is missing. No, I think I cannot do something. Well, maybe 1, 2, and 3 are missing. 1, 2, and 3. And look, 1 and a 2 here. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 3. So here we have a 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2 left. I see here 2. So here cannot be the 2. Here should be the 2. Here should be the 1. Alright. Can I fill these 2 numbers then? 1, 2. The 3 is missing. No, we have a 3 here. The 4 is missing. Yes, and I see here 4. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box is left missing here. For the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6. 2 numbers left now. The numbers are 1 and the 2, and I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box is left in this row for the number 1. Can I fill this? The numbers 2 and 9, no, still cannot finish this. 2 and 9, I need more information. How about I cannot. How about these 3 numbers? Those numbers are the 5, the 6, and the 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. 5, 7, and the 6. No. How about 6, 7, and 4? No. Oh, apologies. Yes. Let me see. The 8 then? No. 7. No. 4. Yes, this big square. 6 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So in the row above. The only place for the 4 should be here. Then 5. Yes, these 3 numbers in this row. The 3 numbers, the missing numbers are the 5, 6, and the 7. 5, 6, and the 7. 5, 6, and the 7. I see here 5, so no 5 there. I see there 5, so no 5 here. Only place for the 5 should be there. The 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 here in this big square, so no 7 in this box. 7 should be there. And the 6 goes here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. Then in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. One place left for the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 3. Then how about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers here are the 2, the 7, and the 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Then the 2 and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are missing. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers, can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this. Those numbers are the 6 and the 4. I need more information, otherwise... no, I cannot fill this. Then we go back to here, because I know these 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 9 and the 2. Now I have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers in this row, the missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. The 5 and the 7, and I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 goes here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only 1 place for the 1 should be here. And now, can we fill? How about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 9. 4, 6, 9 in the third row. I see here the 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. 1 place left for the 4 should be there. The 6 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number, I believe, the number 6. Yes. Now we have a 6 here, so these 2 numbers are missing, the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two numbers, the 3 and the 2. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes for this Sudoku with 2 stars. Alright, do you think you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Otherwise, I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. Maybe this one you will like, and will give it a thumbs up. Alright, see you later. Bye bye.